Welcome to History's Hiccups, Part 37. In ancient Britain, the 9th Spanish Legion of the Roman army vanished without a trace around AD 120, sparking centuries of mystery and speculation. Stationed in Britain for military campaign, their disappearance has baffled historians. One theory suggests they were annihilated in Scotland, battling northern tribes. Another posits they were redeployed elsewhere in the Roman Empire, meeting their end in distant lands. With no definitive records of their fate, the 9th Legion's story remains a captivating historical enigma, emblematic of Rome's struggles in Britain and the challenges of reconstructing ancient history. This mystery continues to intrigue, representing the gaps and allure of the distant past.